Welcome to New Mexico State University's KnowledgeBase instructional video series. This series is brought to you by NMSU's ICT department. Throughout the year, this series will feature a number of helpful tutorials regarding NMSU-specific technological procedures, services, and software. If you have any additional questions that these videos do not address, please contact NMSU's ICT Help Desk at 575-646-1840 through email at help@nmsu.edu or in person at the Hartman Jacobs Room 105. For this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to enable Java plugin on your Google Chrome browser. Enabling JavaScript plugin will allow you to run your Java apps within a web browser. For instance, allowing JavaScript will enable pop-up windows to open in your Chrome browser. Note that if you're attempting the procedures described in this video, you will need to have a web browser downloaded on your device and also have an active internet connection. To begin this process, please open your Google Chrome browser. Once the browser is opened, navigate to the top right corner of the browser and click on the menu icon resembling 3 vertical bullet points. This will open a drop-down menu. Select the Settings option towards the bottom of the drop-down menu. Under your settings, scroll down and click on Advanced. Clicking on Advanced will open more settings options. From this menu, navigate down and click on Content Settings to access Content options. Scroll down and click on JavaScript. By clicking on JavaScript, your browser will give you the options to either allow or block JavaScript. To allow JavaScript, click on the button located on the top right corner of the display screen. Once JavaScript is enabled, the toggle switch will turn blue. Toggle switch turns gray when JavaScript is blocked. Enabling JavaScript will allow you to be able to run Java apps from within your web browser. You can find links to more videos and documentation to assist you through several of the processes that were mentioned in this tutorial in the description below. Thank you for your time and patience, and we hope that you found this video helpful.